Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. If you ever wanted to learn statistics using Python, so you are in the right place. Whether you are a student, data analyst, aspiring data science, machine learning engineer, researcher, or simply curious about data, this channel is designed for you. So our goal is simple. Learn statistics from the ground up while implementing every concepts in Python. So we won't just explain formulas, we will understand the intuition behind them, visualize them, and write Python code to solve real world problems. So what you are going to learn in this tutorial, throughout this series, we will cover everything from the fundamental to advanced statistical concepts. We will start with the Python fundamentals. Before diving into statistics, we will build a strong Python foundation. So we will cover installing Python and Jupyter Notebook, variables, Python data types, numbers, strings, lists, tuples, dictionaries, sets, boolean values, operators, conditional statements, loops, functions, file handling, exception handling, object oriented programming, and Python modules and packages. And apart from that, we will also going to cover the data analysis libraries, uh, which are the most important Python libraries used in statistics, like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn, SciPy. And once we are done with the libraries, then we are going to explore descriptive statistics. And under the category of descriptive statistics, we will learn how to summarize the data using mean, median, mode, range, variance, standard deviation, quartiles, percentiles, interquartile range, box plots, distribution analysis. So these topics are also part of the descriptive statistics section. After that, we are going to learn about the probability. So probability, we will have a solid understanding of probability. Topic includes like sample space, events, conditional probability, independent events, Bayes theorem, probability distribution. So once we understand the statistical distribution, we will also explore the normal distributions. Under the normal distributions, binomial distributions, Poisson distribution, uniform distribution, exponential distribution, using both theory and Python visualization. So once we are done with the uh, statistical distribution, then we will switch towards inferential statistics. Under that category, the topics are sampling, confidence intervals, hypothesis testing, p-value, z-test, t-test, chi-square test, ANOVA. So once we are done with the inferential statistics, then we will move towards correlation and regression. Under that category, we will discuss covariance, correlation, Pearson correlation, Spearman correlation, simple linear regression, and multiple linear regressions. So once we are done with this understanding, then we will have a real world data analysis. So we will apply everything we have learned using the real data sets. We will perform data cleaning, exploratory data analysis, statistical analysis, visualization, practical business case studies. So why this course is different the from the other courses, because every topic will include easy to understand explanations, visual demonstrations, Python coding from scratch, real data sets, practice exercise, interview questions, mini projects, etc. So by the end of the series, you will be able to confidently perform statistic analysis in Python and build a strong foundation for data science and machine learning. So who should watch this series? This series is perfect for beginners, college students, data analysts, data scientists, machine learning engineers, researchers, business analysts, anyone interested in data. So in our next video, we will start with the basics of statistics. Under the basic of statistics, we are going to discuss about uh, the samples and the population. And once we are understand the sample and population, then we will explore the types of data, then levels of measurement. and after that we are going to discuss about the Python basics, and we will apply whatever the concept we have learned using Python. So if you are excited to learn statistics with Python through practical examples and real world projects, make sure to subscribe the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a lesson. So let's begin with the exciting journey into the world of statistics with Python.